Hey there, Super Spark scientists. Welcome to another fantastically fun episode of Super Spark Science, where we turn questions into curiosity and science into sparkles. Today's episode is a leafy one. We're talking about something green, something growing, and something that doesn't need Wi-Fi to survive. How? Plants grow. From tiny seeds hiding in the dirt to tall trees reaching for the sky like they're trying to tickle the clouds. We're going on a plant-tastic journey. So grab your imaginary gardening gloves, give your brain a quick stretch, and get ready to find out how the most silent living things on Earth are actually full of secrets. Once upon a time, and I do mean a long time, a tiny seed was buried under the soil. There it sat, cozy, quiet, and a little grumpy because it didn't have a blanket. Seeds are great at waiting, like Olympic-level waiting. They sit in the dirt for days, months, or even years until something magical happens. Water, drip, drip, drip. Rain finally soaks the soil. It seeps down through the earth and tickles the seed awake. What's that? Moisture? Warmth? Time to grow? Finally! That's what the seed would say if it had a mouth. This process is called germination, when the seed stops snoozing and starts stretching. First, a tiny root pokes out, down, down, down into the soil. It's like the seed is anchoring itself into the earth. Then something even cooler happens. A sprout pops out of the top and starts reaching up, trying to high-five the sunlight. Let's hear it for the roots. They don't wear capes, they don't fly. But without roots, a plant would just fall over and give up. Roots are the hidden champions of plant life. They grow deeper into the ground, searching for water and nutrients like tiny miners. Nitrogen? Got it. Phosphorus? No problem. Potassium? You betcha. Roots suck up everything the plant needs like the world's tiniest straws. If plants had taste buds, roots would be the chefs. And they hold the plant steady too. That little daisy you saw waving in the breeze? Yeah, it's not flying away because its roots are saying, "Don't worry, buddy, we've got you anchored." All right, roots are working hard underground. Now let's move up to the stem. Think of the stem as the plant's elevator shaft. It moves water and nutrients from the roots all the way to the top, straight to the leaves, flowers, and fruit. And it works both ways. Water goes up, sugar made by the leaves goes down. It's like a two-way street without a traffic jam. Some stems are soft and bendy like spaghetti. Others are hard and strong like tree trunks. But they all do the same job. Support the plant and keep things flowing. It's like the plant's plumbing and skeleton had a baby. Now let's talk about the leaves, the green solar panels of the plant world. Leaves aren't just pretty decorations. They're where the real action happens, something called photosynthesis. Yeah, I know, big science word. Let's break it down. Photo means light, synthesis means putting things together. So basically, leaves take sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide and turn them into sugar. That sugar feeds the plant, and the plant makes oxygen, which you breathe. So next time you take a breath, give a quick thumbs up to the nearest bush. You sit in the sun, drink a glass of water, breathe in, and boom, you magically make a snack in your belly. No fridge, no lunchbox, just light and air. That's what plants do every single day. Photosynthesis is like their personal kitchen. Here's how it works. The leaf grabs sunlight with a special green chemical called chlorophyll. It pulls up water from the roots. It breathes in carbon dioxide through tiny holes on its surface called stomata. Mix those three ingredients together and ta-da! You get glucose, sugar for energy, and oxygen, which plants kindly give to us free of charge. It's the ultimate combo meal. Except instead of a burger, it's a leaf-powered science miracle. Once the plant is full of energy, It's time for the grand finale. Flowers, fruits, seeds. Oh my! Some plants grow beautiful blossoms to attract bees, butterflies, and bugs. Why? So they can spread pollen. It's like plant matchmaking. Others grow fruits, juicy, colorful, delicious packages that protect new seeds. You know what fruits are? They're the plant's way of saying, hey animals, eat this and carry my seeds far, far away. Every apple, every watermelon, every juicy tomato, yes, it's a fruit, science says so, is part of this big plant party. Inside those fruits, seeds, and those seeds, they're future plants just waiting to nap in some soil and start the story all over again. Let's do a quick sparktastic recap. Step 1. The seed wakes up, thanks to water and warmth. Step 2. Roots grow down, searching for nutrients. Step 3. A stem grows up, delivering supplies. Step 4. Leaves appear, catching light. Step 5. Photosynthesis, making food and oxygen. Step 6. Flowers in fruit form, making seeds. Step 7. New seeds fall, and the circle begins again. The plant life cycle is a big, beautiful loop, kind of like your favorite song, just on repeat forever. And there you have it, the wild and wonderful story of how plants grow. From sleepy seeds to leafy legends, plants are amazing little life machines. And the coolest part? They're all around us, growing in cracks on sidewalks, dancing in gardens, chilling in jungles, and even living in space experiments. So next time you see a plant, wave, say thanks, maybe even tell it a joke. They probably won't laugh, but you never know. Before you go, be sure to check out our other Super Spark science adventures. We've got videos on volcanoes, sky colors, floating eggs, and all kinds of weird science that makes you go, what? That's awesome. So click, tap, or photosynthesize your way to the next episode. And remember, stay curious, stay kind, and always stay sparky.